Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Let's do your love bite. Let's see what message there is for you today, Scorpio. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Keep that in mind, okay? Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, bless this reading for Scorpio, please, and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, welcome in. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Welcome in, newbies. I'm so happy to have you all here today. And if you enjoy the reading, newbies, do subscribe, join our little Omkara family. We welcome you in. So the first few cards I have, Scorpio, for you is the Ace of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, Ten of Wands, Hierophant, Two of Wands, Page of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Emperor in reverse. All right. Bottom of my spread, I have the Six of Wands in reverse. So somebody is seeking some kind of victory here, but not being able to achieve it at this end. Because somebody is not making a choice and leaving them out in the cold. They're trying their best to control the situation. They maybe wanted to have a fresh new beginning, maybe a commitment or something solid going on here, wanting to hold on to something which they want, but a decision hasn't been made. Let me take a few dialogue message cards between the two of you, Scorpio, then we'll clarify these cards. Scorpio and their person, Spirit. Oh, that is a lot of cards, Spirit. Okay, let's take a few from here then. Scorpio and their person. Scorpio and their person, if they could say something to each other now. All right, thank you. And I'm going to take a few more from here as well. Scorpio and their person. All right, first card here, Scorpio says for you, I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out and show you how much I care. I offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more. But you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I just can't simply understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. You changed. You were keeping secrets from me. 1 minute we were talking like best friends and then you distant yourself from me. Every time it happened again, we grew further and further apart. I miss the old us. I get triggered when I'm angry or have decided to walk away from our connection, and the universe decides to bombard me with your name, and your higher self stalks me with musical messages from you. I want us to be able to talk through things properly. The only problem is in your presence, all I seem to have is wild, dirty thoughts about you, about what I want to do to you. Your love makes me feel untouchable and invincible. You make me stronger, happier, and wiser. Your love is the greatest love I've ever known. I'm not currently feeling in the right place for a relationship right now. I do see us together in future. I believe that you're my destiny. I'm your not so secret admirer. I know that you know that I'm always checking up on you. What I'm most in need of, you can't give me. Let's talk and clear the air. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. All right, Scorpio, if this seems like your story, let's start the clarifications of these cards. But first I'm going to top this with an angel blessing card to for a message, blessing, guidance or advice for Scorpio. Yep, my angels are saying don't compromise. Whatever you feel is right for you, Scorpio, don't compromise. Okay, let's start the reading. What's this? Ace of somebody wants a brand new start, but the other person is still upset and angry and not willing to take this chance of a brand new beginning and is holding back. Ace of Pentacles, Spirit, and the Four of Pentacles. Why is that, Spirit? Yes, because I think they have been through this chapter before with their person, where they feel that my person is very competitive and very, like, it's always their way or the highway. They always demean me, they put me down. We always end up in a conflict for no rhyme or reason, where they just want to win. That's about it. Win at any cost. So this hurt is still being felt, and there is somebody here who says, I am not willing for a fresh new start now. I want to keep myself to myself. I don't want to compromise now. I'm still angry. I'm still working through the past hurt at the moment. Yeah, somebody doesn't want to have this reunion right now. They don't believe anything this person is saying at the moment, and they feel, I'd rather be happy, even if it's not the sun upright and the 10 of cups. I'm okay the way I am right now. This much is good for me as long as I'm not triggered by your presence. Okay, so 10 of wands. Yes, the other person's feeling a little overburdened, overwhelmed, because they feel that their partner is dropping them. No, not, look at this, 4 of wands and 10 of wands and the 10 of wands in reverse. Somebody who's been carrying a burden is now dropping it. Or either somebody feels that they are being dropped from a connection which somebody has been waiting around, been at crossroads, hoping for maybe a chance here. What's this Hierophant, Spirit? Hierophant. I think it's the same Queen of Wands. Yes, this is also the same person here who is not wanting this fresh new beginning. They feel this is too much of a burden for me to carry. I've already kind of dropped it now, and I have many new options coming into my life. I don't want to stay in a place which has already proven to be unhappy for me. If this was a committed relationship in the past, they don't want it. Maybe they've already tried it, it hasn't worked, it only makes them angry each time. So they say, I'd rather go and see what else is out there now. I don't want to waste my time on repeating something which I know for a fact only leads to conflict and burden. 2 of Wands, Spirit. 2 of Wands. Yes, this connection makes them feel very restless, never at peace. And yes, this person, I think, wants true love in their life, and it's a balanced relationship where there's equal give and take. So I think this Queen of Wands is still on her search, wanting to not get stuck. They don't want to move forward with this past person. I think they want to get unstuck, move towards their own happiness, even though, yes, in the past this could have been a strong connection, but they always felt left out in the cold, always felt abandoned, never felt, 5 of Pentacles. Why did this person feel like this, Spirit? Because the partner was very emotionally manipulative, never expressing their emotions nicely, always troubling them, basically playing games because they wanted to have maybe power over the other person. Now this Queen of Wands is making a decision. What's this decision, Spirit? What's the decision being made? To not fight for this connection. Yeah, they feel all the secrets are already out now. I know the truth about this connection. I'm not going to fight for this connection now. I'm going to leave all this trouble behind and move on to a calm, happy place for myself. They feel their person is the Emperor in reverse. They feel their person is very controlling, like a dictator, and they don't want to spend any more time on a connection which doesn't make them feel good. Yes, they find this person a bit immature. They find All the cards which are coming out is, saying things about this emperor who they feel is rude and cutting and immature and really actually not strong. They always pretend to be strong. So I think somebody is now healing their heart from past hurt because they feel they never got victory in this connection and that they don't see any future in it either. Yes, this relationship has stagnated. Somebody is going off for a fresh new beginning for themselves. Like take it slow and steady one day at a time, but move away. Yes, the goal focus here for this Queen of Wands is to find that 10 of Cups. Why go back to feeling the 9 of Cups in reverse when I can move forward slow and steady and find the complete package somewhere else? They want the complete package now. They're not willing to compromise on their life anymore. So what's the 6 of Wands, Spirit, in reverse? 6 of Wands in reverse. 6 of Wands in reverse. Yes, the choice has been made. The choice has, 2 cards have come out of a firm decision being made not to stay in a connection which makes them feel less than. Okay, so that's what I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Scorpio.